Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do y'all ever wake up and just feel like crap? You just feel like you've never been uglier, you've never been more of a failure. I'm having one of those days. But anyways, y'all, I'm like, I need to glow up. I want to feel pretty. I want to feel accomplished. I don't know. I just want to feel something. So I'm gonna try to have a little glow up today. I'm gonna do some self-care, do some fun things, and see if I can make myself feel better. And I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm just putting on some sunscreen because I think I'm gonna start with like a walk. So boring, but I feel like I need to get some steps in and just feel active. So yeah, this is, okay. That looks like a ringworm. I know that looks like a ringworm. It's not a ringworm, y'all. I went and got an EKG at the doctor for like a heart checkup, and they put stickers like all on my body for an EKG. And for some reason, the sticker here left like a reaction. Like literally nowhere else in my body do I have this. I've been going to the pool and stuff, and I feel like people think I have a freaking ringworm, y'all. It's not a ringworm. She cute, okay. I feel like I should cover up because I don't want people to think I have a ringworm. Okay, I'm just gonna throw on my Attitude downloading shirt. Okay, here's the full finished look. She giving cute. I'm ready to be done with my walk. I'm ready to get to the fun stuff. Y'all, there really is something about getting outside and feeling like the sun on your skin that really does make you feel better. I hate exercise. I force myself to do it. I never enjoy it, but it does make you feel better. And it's like so annoying that something that I hate so much makes me feel so much better, and I have to do it. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just got back. It is so hot outside. What in the world? Now that I've done that, I'm like, I need to recover. I think now I'm going to go to Walmart, get me a highlighting cap because I want to highlight my hair today. Give myself a little hair glow up. We're just gonna jump right into it, guys, though. We're heading to Walmart. Luckily, y'all, Walmart is literally a 3-minute drive. I could literally show y'all how close. Walmart is like in my front yard. I'm not even kidding. This will be a very quick trip. I'm gonna tell y'all when I pull out of my community and when I pull into the parking lot of Walmart. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm about to exit my community in 3, 2, 1. Okay, y'all. I just left my community and now I'm pulling into the Walmart parking lot right now. We're here. It's literally so close. Parking on the pharmacy side because we're trying to get to the hair stuff and get out. I ain't looking at the clothes today because it's dangerous, because if I look at the clothes today, I'll walk out with an entire new wardrobe and we ain't doing it. I'm here for one thing and one thing only. I'm upset I forgot my sunglasses. It's so bright. Y'all, it's so hot. What is going on? Y'all already know this is gonna be so hard to not look at the clothes. I gotta stay focused. All right, guys, we found the hair color. So I'm looking for the Revlon Frost and Glow, I believe is what I'm looking for, but I do not see it. What if they don't have it? Y'all, I think maybe this is what I'm looking for. I feel like it looks different though. This is what we're going with to cross our fingers. Bag is secured. Y'all, the one I used to use when I used to do my hair was like $5.50. I used to could do like a whole head of highlights for $5.50. That one was $12. So I don't know if the price has just been up since last time or if that was like a different brand. I don't know, but all right, y'all, time to drive about 30 seconds back to my house. Y'all, I miss Wendell so much. If you're wondering where he's at today, he is at daycare because he goes to daycare twice a week because he has the energy of a freaking, I don't even know. He's got the energy of about 10 dogs in one. So he has to go to daycare twice a week just to stay sane, or like for me to stay sane on it. That's where he's at, but I miss him so much when he's gone. Like the house is so quiet and I just want him home with me. Okay, y'all, we have no time to waste. I already have on my shirt ready to be bleached. This is my bleach shirt. Let's just get right into it because I'm trying to maybe go thrifting after this. I just hope this works out. This specifies that this is for longer hair. This says for longer hair. Perfect for first time highlighters with longer hair that goes past the shoulder. Okay, I think mine goes past the shoulder. This easy to use system gives you precise, even highlights in as little as 20 minutes. Y'all, I am nervous. Last time I did this, gosh, it's actually been a while now, but I always had my mom's help, and she's obviously not here right now, so that's my concern with this, is that I'm not gonna be able to do it without her help. This is what it comes with. It comes with the Frost and Design Developer Lightening Powder. Okay, wait, this looks intense. What the heck is this? Frosting Protection Clean Cream. Y'all, I'm getting overwhelmed. I'm about to call my mama. Oh my gosh, wait. Y'all, okay. Now, when I did this, there was literally one thing. Why is there like a million? Okay. I think my mom took, okay. I used to have a brush and I used to have a bowl, and I think my mom took both because it was hers. There's a lot of instructions. Okay. Oh, okay. So I don't need a brush because it says I can use this. Just paint it on. So let's go. Okay, why is it not punching through? All right. Oh, that's like a really big piece. The thing is this plastic hook is hard to it's hard to bust through. Oh my gosh, this is like tedious. Oh, whoa, there we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ow. This thing is pulling a lot of hair. Okay, I'm getting anxious, y'all. I'm just gonna, hold on. I think I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna try to pull all this hair through, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it's going.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, I'm finally back. That took a really long time, actually. As far as like placement goes, I mostly put them on the crown, like mostly for like face framing. The back was really hard to do. There we go. It's always so satisfying. Like, I don't know why I'm doing this. Like, like mixy. It looks like we're making a glaze, like a sugar glaze. Y'all, there's 2 lightening powders, so I guess I add both. That threw me off because I'm like, I feel like it should just be one, but let's see. Since I do have previously highlighted hair, I'm gonna try to keep it mostly at the roots. We'll see how it works. How do I start? I'm nervous. Okay, let's just do it. Well, I'm not doing a good job at keeping it at the roots. Let's just put it that way. Boyfriend, I'm nervous.
Boyfriend, I'm nervous.
Oh, y'all, this is, I don't think this is gonna, y'all. What's done is done. What is done is done. I don't know. This may not be a glow up. Ow. But it says put this on. Okay, I'll see y'all in 30 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes. That's pretty blonde. Okay, y'all, I feel like it's ready. I feel like I'm ready to wash this out. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. Okay, y'all, it's time for the unbelling. I don't think it looked messed up. I mean, it literally looks like nothing happened. So I think that's a good sign. Okay, that looks like some brightness. Was my camera too low? Y'all. Girl, y'all, this looks really good. Okay, I don't see any splotches or anything. Like, I really feel like that did a really good job. The way I thought I just butchered my hair, and it looks really good. Do I want to go to Goodwill now and get me a little happy? The hair part of my glow up was a success, y'all. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling happy. Woo! Okay, y'all, so it's day 2 of my 24-hour glow up. What is it, Wendell? Why are you crying? Somebody's upset. What is it, Wendell? Oh, y'all know what it is? I put whipped cream on my coffee, and he thinks anytime I get whipped cream, he gets whipped cream, so let me give him some whipped cream. This is a spoiled boy, y'all. Is this what you wanted? Did you want whipped cream? Anyways, back to what I was saying. It is day 2 of my 24-hour glow up. Today on the agenda, I think I want to go thrifting. I mentioned yesterday, but I ran out of time. Yesterday, I had to go get Wendell from daycare and bring him home and give him a shower. It was just a very busy day. I think I'm gonna start my day off with a little workout because I'm trying to get my health better. I'm gonna do some Pilates, I think, and I think get dressed, do some cute makeup, do a cute hairstyle with my freshly highlighted hair, and we're gonna go thrifting, you guys. We're going to have another fun day. So yeah, I'm excited.
Position. Now just find and drop it using a straight finger abdominals underneath your right shoulder.
I was not feeling it today at all. I'm weak, I'm tired. Ugh, I hate when I have bad workouts. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go thrifting. Oh, y'all, it's kind of like rainy outside today, so I don't know how I want to do my hair because I really want to like look at the new highlights and everything, but I don't know if I want to spend that much time on it, you know? These CoverGirl Outlast lip stains are the best. Statue Beauty ones that everybody is like using on TikTok, I do not care for these. I'm gonna be so for real. These are good. You don't have to peel anything off. You just draw it on there. It's like a marker. And that will stay on all day long. You can like take a Q-tip after a few minutes and like kind of like wipe it off, but you don't have to. I literally went like a full year without going to Goodwill because my Goodwill had gotten so junky. Like the prices had gotten so high and it stunk, and I had seen like several workers be rude to other workers, like other workers that might have been disabled, and it just like itched me out. And I was like, okay. And then it's like you go there and like they don't give you bags anymore, and it's just kind of like, okay, Goodwill has to be the greediest company in the world. Like you can't even give us bags for our stuff. But I went a month ago or so, and all of a sudden it's like nice. It smells good. I haven't seen any workers be rude. Like some of the ones that I used to see are not there anymore. I don't know, I'm like maybe it's like trying to do better. So I've kind of been going back. I don't know. So I think that's where I'll go today. I mean, the thing about Goodwill is like it is not my favorite thrift store, but there is just so much more to choose from there. Like I do find a lot of my best stuff at Goodwill. Since I'm glowing up, I feel like doing something like kind of fun and glittery. So I'm gonna do some of this glitter on my, oh yes, queen, yes. Okay, y'all, I think I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna be right back. I don't know what I wanna do to my hair yet. I feel like I wanna style it because I just highlighted it and it's like I wanna see the whole look, but also, which is not raining right now. You know what? I'm gonna style it. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Oh, okay, y'all. Just put some loose curls in it with my air wrap. Cute. Okay. Cute, easy little hairdo. Let's go pick out an outfit. We're gonna go to my clothes. I don't know what vibe I'm feeling today. Okay, I hope you guys can see me. I hope the lighting's halfway decent. I kind of like, honestly, I kind of want to do like a dress, I think. Just something really chill. I think I'm just gonna do something really chill. Maybe a dress and some boots because I haven't worn this dress since I got it. So let me change. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, here's the thrifting bitches. I'm excited, y'all. I feel like I have glowed up since yesterday. And now when I buy my new thrift finds, I'm gonna glow up even more. I thrifted this dress like a few weeks ago. I haven't worn it yet. And I had tan boots with it, but the pink just felt more me. And then I did some cute little pink hair clips and I feel super cute, ready to go. All right, y'all, we are heading out. Say bye to Wendell. Bye, Wendell. We'll be back soon. All right. You be a sweet boy, okay? I'll be back soon. I love you. Y'all, Goodwill is also very close to my house. Like, we will be there in 2 minutes. I just got here. There's like no parking spots. When I used to thrift here, when I first started coming to this Goodwill, it would be like 5 cars in the parking lot. And now every single time I come, people are just everywhere. I live close to Nashville, so like maybe that's why, but like it's crazy. It's crazy. Let's go, guys. Let's see what we find. I have a good feeling. Y'all see what I mean though? Like cars everywhere. Y'all, the way I would eat these up if they weren't literally rotting. See, they're like peeling, but these are cool. I think that would be a really cool layering piece. Ooh, y'all look at this cool skirt. Not my size, but that is super cute. Y'all look how cute this piece of furniture is. It looks so like Lizzie McGuire. $24.99. Y'all, if I had a place for this, it is so cute. Y'all, these are super cool. Little vintage artwork. Y'all, I don't know what size these are, but they just appeared here. I feel like they're meant for me. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the cutest dress. I can't tell if it's like a kid's dress, but you know I'm gonna try it on. Okay, y'all, so I did end up finding a bunch of good stuff. So we're gonna try it on and see what we think. First, we're gonna try on the jeans because I am so impatient. I need to know if these fit. And unfortunately, they do not fit, y'all. Y'all, imagine I was wearing pants that actually fit and like an actual bra. But this is so like Rachel Green, cute little turtleneck. Ooh, the little cardigan with the ruffles. Not giving, it's not giving. Okay, I feel like there could be a vision for this jacket, but I just don't know. I really like the studded like buttons, but I don't know if this is anything I would go for. I feel like it kind of looks like an old person. Y'all, this lace top, I can't really show you because I need like something underneath it. Just take my word for it. It's beautiful and I cannot wait to show y'all. Y'all, this little pink dress, oh my gosh. If I only get this and that little lace white top, this is a success. The only thing is I cannot get this back zipped, and I feel like it fits. I feel like I can't, like I just can't get it. It's so cute. Y'all, extreme Hannah Montana vibe. Okay, y'all, I think I like this too. What do we think? Y'all, I think this was a success, and now the line is short. The line was so long when I went to the dressing room, and now it's short. Lucky girl syndrome. Y'all, the line just got long again. Y'all, I'm back home and I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna fix me some lunch, maybe grab a shower, because after Goodwill I always feel a little bit dirty. But thank y'all for coming along with me. Thank you for watching my video. I had so much fun doing this, and I suggest everyone take a day for themselves. Go thrifting and do your hair and work out and walk and exercise and just do what makes you feel good. So don't forget to subscribe and comment if you like this video. And yeah, until next time, guys, love y'all.